As Tiger Woods approached his second shot on the 18th hole Sunday at the Tour Championship, an amazing scene was unfolding behind him. Thousands of fans had spilled onto the fairway, chanting his name, leaving Woods emotional and speechless. But there was a reason for the jubilation. Woods was moments away from wrapping up his 80th career victory on the PGA Tour. But this one was unlike any of the others. For Woods, it had been a long time, 5 years to be exact, since he tasted victory on the PGA Tour. Since then, he had been dealing with a number of emotional and physical struggles, trying to get back in the game, trying to actually compete for the first time in years. Woods himself was unsure whether he'd be able to complete that comeback. That's why his two-shot victory Sunday will rank as one of the most memorable of his career. No, it wasn't a major, but at age 42, for Tiger to be able to compete at this level is something he wasn't sure would actually happen when he began a comeback this past December after nearly a year without competition. Though he had contended earlier this summer in the British Open and the PGA Championship, Tiger hadn't found a way to actually close the deal. While his game indicated that he could continue playing at a high level, the real test was whether he could actually get it done on Sunday. And this time he did, birdieing the first hole and running away with the tournament for most of the afternoon. It was a vintage Tiger Woods performance, and there may be a whole lot more to come.